next category is Best Digital Process Automation Solution. And the finalists are, there are 4 of them: ProcessMaker from ProcessMaker, Red Hat Process Automation from Red Hat, SalesPrizo from SalesPrizo, and ftwilliam.com distribution tracking software from Wolters Kluwer Legal and Regulatory in the US. And the winner is ProcessMaker from ProcessMaker. All right, congrats everyone.
Well, thank you very much, SIIA. Thank you, Amide, for delivering this award. And we are just so excited. I'm so excited to be here in representation of ProcessMaker to receive the 2020 Best Digital Process Automation Solution Award. This is an incredible honor for all of us here at ProcessMaker. I'm excited to be here up on stage tonight, and just really want to thank my team, thank everybody who put so much into what we've achieved over the past decade, really. We started building our process automation solution back in 2008, and we've just improved it every year since, and to finally be recognized with a CODIE, it's a true honor. So I am really, really excited to be here to be getting this award. And I just want to bring up on stage my family who've traveled here to be with me today. Come on up, guys. Help me accept this award. There's Maya, and
hi.
Here's Soleil as well. And okay, so maybe we're not really up on stage, and okay, this is actually just a soccer trophy that my daughter Soleil won, and well, we're not really in front of this up on stage in front of the CODIE Award background. In fact, we're at home here. My dog's in the background. Yeah,
Hi.
I did get dressed up, at least partially, for getting the award. But what I do want to say is I am super excited, and we are going to be celebrating as a company this coming Friday. Really, really excited. Everybody should be excited. Our engineering team, product team, services, support, sales. Everybody did so much. Our dog looks like he swallowed something. Did so much to get us to this point, and we are really excited. We won over some great competitors, and it is just a really proud moment for us.